Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation right here between year 2009 and year 2014 guys. If you have one of those, you need to find where the accessory delay relay is located, where you can buy cheap relays from, and how to test relays, because there is no need to waste your time and money guys. All that will be shared in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So right here guys, now we're going to demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. Now we have guys two fuse boxes, okay? This is the fuse box under the hood right above the radiator fan. You can see that's the fuse box right there, but we don't need this one guys, okay? We need another fuse box that's actually inside the vehicle. We're talking about the body control module fuse box, which is located on the passenger side in the footwell under the glove box by that kick panel right here. So if you remove that cover right here on the side and you open the fuse box, it will look just like that guys. That will be your fuse box right here. We took a picture, we zoomed it so we can clearly show you what we have here. But before we start, let's explain why it's super important guys to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. And as you can see, the accessory delay relay will be that one right here guys. This is a special Ford relay, but if you need to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from at a really good price and quick shipping as well, because at the parts store sometimes they're hard to find, but if you find one it could be really expensive. So check out the link if you need to get some, and I will always recommend to keep some spares with you guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.